We're Kat and Kyle, full-time travelers spending a month exploring the beautiful Algarve region in the south of Portugal. We've been able to do this on our tight budget by volunteering at a charming organic family farm in the town of Aljezur. We got to work on an agroforest, pulling weeds and making syrups. We slept in a tent and braved some really intense and unusual storms.
And met amazing fellow travelers like Stamatis and Sissy from Greece. They'll be joining us on today's video. So we got up early on one of our days off, made coffee, and took a 2-hour drive in our rickety old rental car we affectionately named Marge, and found ourselves in the stunning coastal city of Lagos. So come with us.
Good morning.
Good morning. Today we are in Lagos, Portugal, and we are about to go on a boat trip along the coastline.
Apparently we're going to go into caves. It's a small boat, but they said we won't get wet. It's pretty windy today, so we'll see about that.
Yeah, it's the first day they've been able to operate tours because all week it's been incredibly stormy. So lucky us.
Yeah. After that, we're going to hang out with Stamatis and Sissy, and we're going to walk Old Town, look at the shops. We're both on a budget, so we won't be buying much.
No, just see where the day takes us.
Yeah, we brought our lunch in the back of our cheap rental car, and so...
see what happens.
Yeah, welcome to Lagos. Let's do it. So of all the BlueFleet Tours, we chose the cheapest at €20 a person, and we're excited. I'm excited.
How you feel about the boat?
I don't love boats or open water. I can swim, but...
Food Portuguese. Yeah, you tried? Fish rice, octopus rice.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll have to try it. You get on the boat next.
Of our city in the 15th century. Today it's an archaeological museum and it's for free.
Oh.
View from the top.
Potato Beach.
Today? Hello. They just go to the beach. People say.
It's the Potato Beach.
In the morning, right, and all day in the sun with the oil and French fries.
Oh yeah.
That's the person from the house. That's the beach with this side here.
Wow. Private bath.
That's the house.
Yeah, that's mine.
7 feet. You can buy the house and all the family can live there. That's the fish.
They dive 12 meters, you said? What were they called?
Portuguese or Floridian. I see it like an animal.
Yeah.
What animal you see there? Ostrich? What? I see like a camel.
Oh yeah.
French geese. All the white points is fossilized shells.
Oh yeah.
If you look here on the top of us, the brown thing is a fossilized crab.
Yes, there.
Yeah. The brown one, can you see, sir?
Caesar. Or Donald Trump.
Because in the head of Homer Simpson.
The small holes in the eyes, then the tip of the nose, and the big lips here.
Oh yeah.
Fair enough, I see
It's
it.
Homer Simpson. The tour guide told us that most of the rock formations and alcoves, perhaps excluding Homer Simpson, were named by 19th century fishermen who used them as landmarks to find the best fishing spots or to help relay locations of stories or tall tales from their day.
Lighthouse.
Mercy
Because
Point.
the wives of the fishermen comes to the top to pray for the safety return.
Oh wow.
Or maybe not. Right. Let's stay a little bit longer, that we don't know.
Some of the fishing spots and caves were named after rooms of a house, depending on how they were used by the fishermen.
This is the kitchen. Where's the sink? The sink is over there.
The kitchen was where the men would take their catch to clean the fish before selling them, and the living room is where they would gather to trade stories or supplies.
When it's full moon or new moon, the difference between tides is more than 4 meters. And normally here the water is super clear, you can see the bottom.
Wow.
Almost never we have waves here.
Usually the sea is a lot more calm.
Because it will be not wind.
He's a brave captain.
First time.
First time.
And the boats have no brakes. Oh my god.
the garage. Oh yeah. It's a heart shape. So this is the bedroom, I guess? Cathedral. Wow.
Yeah, it's kind of creepy.
Do you remember the link?
Yes.
The VIP.
Wow. Yes.
That was awesome.
Nice job. Oh wow. I know where we are. This is the living room.
Wow. That was sick.
That was a little adrenaline rush. We keep getting splashed with the swells.
Honestly, really fun.
Water's not as clear, but it's good times. This captain is very good.
He's so impressive. I'm in awe.
That was so much fun.
So delightful. Highly recommend. Very budget friendly.
Yes, if you want to see all the beaches and decide which beach you want to go to
Yes.
beforehand,
One way to get an overview too of like, all right, what do I want my day in Lagos to look like?
And they-
You just go on this tour. It's like they kind of give you a nice rundown of all the options.
and they gave us some history of Lagos and showed us where the nude beach was. There was no one there at the time, but now we're gonna go explore the old towns. Yeah. Oh wow.
So come over your head.
Just the fact that this street has looked like this for 300 years.
Yes.
This heart, I've seen it again. Is this like a symbol?
Is it a heart or a seashell?
I don't know. It seems like a heart.
Yeah, what is it? Yeah.
Not sure.
Wow. I wonder if we can get into the, is it Santo António?
The Church of Santo Antonio is a historic church that is now a great museum to visit if you have a few spare hours in Lagos. The exhibit's finale is the ornate sanctuary, which is worth the ticket price by itself.
Oh my gosh, what is it? That has one eye.
This is clever.
This room is really cool. It's basically a collection of all of the leftover stuff from whoever started this museum. This is just his cabinet of curiosities.
It's amazing.
We walked around it twice, and it feels like you notice something different the second time you walk around it. So creepy. The display is beautiful.
Crazy how like bright it is after that.
I know.
You come in here and you're like, ooh,
That room is so dark, and then some beautiful art.
look, it's our kitchen.
And the dog, of course. There's a dog here.
Peanut.
Something I find fascinating about this museum is that it has plaques with braille and depictions of the art for blind people to feel. Very cool. Wow. That is not a building, that's just the wall.
That's so cool. Kyle gets roasted. Good job.
Wow, so cute.
Tell
We saw all of this from a boat.
This is so cute on land.
Yes, yes.
I love that it says unstable cliffs everywhere.
These tunnels that connect all the beaches are really cute. Got her.
Got him.
Apparently these beaches are what inspired the Little Mermaid cartoon, and Kat used to say that I reminded her of Prince Eric, which she had a crush on. So we're home. She's my Little Mermaid. I'm her Prince Eric. You find any good shells? This is so fun. Let me see your shells. Are you gonna sell those seashells by the seashore?
Seashells?
Seashells by the seashore?
Seashore. Do it. Go.
Should I do it?
Yeah.
I would have to strip down because I don't want to get my pants wet.
Go out there.
After exploring the beaches, we decided to make our way back toward Old Town. Ah, a little restaurant. How nice.
Oh, nice.
We wanted to find drinks to celebrate a great day in Lagos. It's giving some sort of art installation. And there's no shortage of options.